Is mango? Show me. Advika, where is mango? No. Show me where is mango.
Mango.
Oh, this one. M. Where is monkey?
Mochi.
Where is monkey? Oh,
Mochi.
this one is mug.
Mud.
Mug. Where is queen? Show me. This one. This flashcard come.
Queen.
This is queen.
Mochi.
Okay. Then tell me where is nest?
Net.
Good girl. Then where is shape in this card? Shape. Okay. So where is horse?
Frog eater.
This one is horse. Good girl, Advika. Then one more card is there. Show me where is.
Dog.
So where is car?
Dog.
This one is car. This is carrot.
Dog.
Advika, this is carrot. This is cap. Advika, cap.
Yeah.
Cap.
Yeah.
Okay. Then where is fish?
Fish eater.
This one. Show me where is the fish.
Oh yeah.
No. Where is lion? Show me where is lion. Show me. Advika,
Lion.
where is lion?
Lion.
Good girl. Where is egg in this card?
Cat.
Where is egg?
Egg.
Where is elephant?
Elephant.
Good girl. Then where? No. Show me. Where is gift?
Red. Mommy no.
Okay, Advika.